Hey guys, I'm at my office. I haven't been here in a few days because I've been running around doing a lot of different events and stuff. So I got some packages, not too many, but I wanted to show you them. The first one I got was this one. I just opened the box and I'm gonna open it with you guys to see what's inside. I know that it's a beauty product, but look at how pretty this is packaged. Oh my God, and the box is sparkly. I don't know if you can see the sparkle in the box, but I'm definitely saving this box. Oh, there's a little note. It says Afterglow Ampoule by AZN Labs. And, oh, there's a little handwritten, I love these. Look at this. It's a handwritten note about the product. This is the product. But look at, there's sparkles inside. There's crystals inside the box, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at, I love packaging. Like, this is like my dream packaging. Look at it's marked. This box. This is like a dream box. That's what it comes in, and it says gives skin a warm dewy glow, reduces the appearance of fine lines, skin looks smoother and supple. And on the it says youthful glowing formula, and then it says this is 6 times strong more. This has 6 times more vitamin C. I'm using this tonight, especially because I look so tired right now. I feel like, oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Okay, it has like an iridescence to the bottle. Let's see if I can get it out of here pretty easily. There we go. You guys, oh my God. It's a big bottle too. Like, this is a very large size bottle. Droplet. Oh, wow. Do you see that? Oh, it smells good. I'm using this tonight.